We're going to talk about something about men's health. And I see that you brought lots of, especially for men's health products, that we can talk about it one by one, what it is for and who can use it and when they can use it. So why don't we start with men's health?
Yeah, we're going to start from what I brought a few formulation I have. It is a combination of homeopathic, herbal medicine, and and we have like several formulations for men's health. So, but it depends what kind of problem they have, and accordingly they can start using it.
Okay.
So we're gonna start first of all that show on the screen the male formula.
Male formula.
Male formula is a regular. No, the other side.
The other one.
This one. Yes. Male formula is a combination of vitamins, minerals, and herbs, and that every man can take it regardless of his age. Is a supplement. So this is the only differences between this and the regular vitamins are like this formula has a herbs, natural herbs that is good for men's health, that will help him stamina, energy, his hormone system, prostate problems, all those urinary problems. So all those herbs are in there.
Okay.
And this formula is a regular usage every day. You don't have to have a problem, but you just use it, to prevent things also. And any age they can use it.
Okay.
And this they can get it by phone. Also order. They can come. Or they can go to our website also, and then they can use it.
Okay. So this is what we're talking about, the male formula. As you can see it on the screen, there's a male formula. You can either call him at his number. You can, if you want to get more details on this, you can even do that. Our numbers will be shown at the bottom of the screen where you can reach Dr. Chaudhary, and of course he can help you out with that. The next, Dr. Chaudhary, we're going to talk about, I'm sure, is Tribesta.
Yes, Tribesta is one herb that is a natural herb. It is not a kind of stimulant or have any side effects like usually people they take blood pressure medicine or they take other heart medicine. So then they should not take those stimulant herbs that's good for sexual health. But this Tribesta is neutral, like it's not a stimulant. It's like anybody can use it, and any age, and regardless of the medicine they're taking, even they're taking hypertension medicine or heart medicine.
Does it matter, like Dr. Chaudhary, if somebody's taking heart medication and somebody's taking, I'm talking about an allopathic, blood pressure medication, and on top of they were trying to, and start using Tribesta too?
Yeah, Tribesta is no problem.
With all that together, will that affect them? Like,
no, Tribesta is just like a food. If let's say if you eat you drink cinnamon tea or you drink chamomile tea, just like that. This Tribesta is it's a single herb, and it's good for a woman also. It's increase the hormone level, quality of egg, and then for men quality of sperm, and without any side effects. Anybody can take this.
So this men and women, even though they have different.
Of course.
Means sperm and of course to rebuild the women's health, still they can take the same medication.
Yeah, because what happens when you take herb, right, any herbal medicine or herb, if you take, like for men will take it, that will help his like his glandular activity, and it will increase his hormones. And the similar way women, when they take this herb, so that will increase their glandular activity, and their hormones.
Female hormones.
Because it's not like a hormone. By allopathic medicine, they give you external hormones.
Right.
If men has problem, his testosterone is low, then they give him injection or tablet, whatever, to increase his hormones, testosterone. But herb doesn't work like that way. And so they're not going to give testosterone injection to women because women has different hormones, so they give women different medicine. And actual hormones for women, whatever is the deficiency is. But in herbs, they can take it for their bodies, because herbs make your body function normal and stimulates whatever glandular activity you are low.
Right.
For example, I'm going to give this everybody almost every other person has thyroid problem these days. And thyroid gland, if it doesn't work, it doesn't make enough thyroxine, is a hormone. So in allopathic, they give them thyroxine tablet every day. They have to take.
In English medicine, allopathic.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Yeah. So what happens in a homeopathic? We have the medicine that will stimulate thyroid function. Homeopathic may we have Thyromax supplement.
Okay.
So Thyromax supplement is not a hormone. It's a herbs and vitamins and amino acid that stimulates thyroid function.
Okay.
So thyroid will make more hormones by
I see.
itself.
Okay.
You understand?
Right.
So similar way, this male formula Trabesta and other homeopathic preparation is called Man Formula liquid, and then there's a Stamina Plus is the other stimulant herb. Stamina Plus is a supplement that will increase the blood flow and to genital area, and this way, if people have blood pressure, they should not take that. And the Super Male Formula.
Okay.
Also, that
That
has
is
a
this one.
stimulant. So if people have blood pressure, high blood pressure, they should not take it. But usually people have low blood pressure, low circulation, testosterone is low, then they feel weak, tired.
Right.
So for them, this is very good for them.
The super male formula.
Super Male and Stamina Plus.
And
also.
Stamina Plus is right.
And the Trabesta, anybody can take, men and women both.
Both can take it.
And
They
if
can
they
take it
have-
as a regular vitamin also.
Of course,
Just to prevent if something else.
Right,
might
when we
cause
age
them.
is, our hormone level goes low.
Right.
And then to prevent also, it is not going to cause any side effects or anything.
Okay.
And then the other formula, we have a herbal tila is a
Right.
male organ massage oil that is good for circulation and that men can take it without any problem and without any side effects or like, they can use it twice a day. So just even maintain, if you don't have any problem, like I'll give you example, like you use toothpaste every day, right, for your teeth. And if you use eye drops for your eyes, and in our culture we use surma, kajal, like those kind of things. For
Right.
face we use cream.
Right.
For hands we use cream. We
Right.
like those kind of. For hair, if you use oil and things to maintain our body parts.
Right.
So this is a similar way. The herbal tela is a male organ massage oil,
Okay.
and they can use it. Even they don't have any problem. But
Right.
if they do have problem, then they use continue for 3 to 4 months.
Okay, so that is
Along
herbal
with-
tiller right
yes.
here. We
And,
can show it
yes,
right here.
yes.
That's the massaging oil.
Yes, and
go
Trabesta,
ahead.
along with Trabesta,
along
male
with Trabesta,
formula.
male formula we talked about.
Right.
Super male formula, which is a vitamin for especially for men.
Yes,
And then we talked about Stamina Plus. What is men formula? Now we talk about.
Men formula is a homeopathic preparation,
Okay.
It's kind of a few herbs, extracts, and some homeopathic medicine, including acid phos, lycopodium. So those are good for nervous system and for problem for premature ejaculation, ED problem. So we recommend that also.
And this is
along with that,
a
yeah.
drop?
It's a drops, yeah.
It's
You
a drops,
drink it,
okay.
and again, even if you take any prescription medicine, there's no problem at all using that one. And even like when we talk about sexual health, it's not like men. General health is good, then sexual activity is good also. And if they're a bodybuilder or they feel tired or something, then they can use it. It's not necessary you take this one then just for your sexual health. But physical health is very important, emotional health. And this way you can perform anything, even you want to exercise or you want to have sexual activity or you want to run or you want to work if you feel tired. So men, if they take that one, is good for them.
Okay. What is in a food wise, Dr. Chaudhary? What would you suggest for food? As in like not just because of regular health, but as in like people get tired very easily.
Right.
They are losing their activity as in like hobbies that they used to do,
Right.
but they become very tired to do it. As any food you would suggest for, especially for men, to have that in their nutrition diet?
Dates are very good for men health.
Okay.
And dry dates easily can be found in
Right.
grocery stores.
Right.
And it's very good formula if people they cook in a milk. Like
Okay.
I would say, like 1 gallon milk, full regular milk.
Right.
And if they have problem with cholesterol and all these things, and they don't want to take regular milk,
Right.
and they have 2% milk, and 1 gallon milk and 1 pound of dry dates.
1 pound of dry dates. Okay.
Yes, and they cook it,
Boil
until
it, right.
boil it slow heat, and until like 1 gallon becomes half gallon,
Okay.
and that's it. That is very delicious, very energetic, very nutritious. Like nutritionally is very good. Also, it has milk has all the vitamin, amino
Right.
acid, everything, and the dates are very good for that too. So if you are worried about overweight or things like that, you should watch your food, like quantity of the food. Let's say if half gallon it's so delicious, and even personally I use that too every week or other week like
Right.
that. So even if you don't take your breakfast, just have like 2 glasses of milk of that. Or if you have breakfast and then you're gonna have 2 glasses of that, then it's gonna be too many calories.
Right.
So people don't understand. They just cut down the milk because it has cholesterol, and drink other sweet things, sodas, juices, all
Right.
those things. But
Right.
so milk is good, but you should cut down other calories, and especially for men health, milk is very good.
Okay.
And some people like. Okay, so this formula you can put in a fridge. You can have 1 cup every day
Okay.
in the
It
morning.
doesn't matter that we can pre-made it and keep it in the fridge
you can do
and then have it every day.
Yeah, you can.
Oh,
you
okay.
can
So you
cook
don't have to make it
half
fresh every
gallon
day.
gonna be
Okay.
like every day 1 cup. You can eat. This is very good for.
Is
men.
that good for diabetic people also? Who have diabetes, they can drink that too.
Yeah, they should not put sugar in dates as regular.
Sugar itself in there, right.
But if you like 1 cup, if they can have it, this not a problem.
Okay.
And then other thing, if people have very tired, they can add some cinnamon in there also, like
Okay.
2-3 sticks of cinnamon
In the milk.
and in the milk, and they cook it and same way, like cinnamon and the dates.
Right.
And use that one. It's very good. See, cinnamon stimulates the blood circulation. Actually, main problem is circulation. If men's erection problem is because of hormone deficiency and the circulation. Blood flow is not there. So that's why the herbs we take it, and it helps the stimulation and of the blood, and then circulation of the blood in
Right.
that area. So this way they have better, because in the whole body, every body part we need circulation.
Right.
So if blood circulation is good, everything is good.
Well, Dr. Chaudhary, let me ask you another question for with men's health, all these products that you showed. Is that okay for diabetes people that they can take these medicine too?
Oh, definitely.
They
and they're
can.
going to get very good benefit for that too.
Okay.
Because diabetic people have this problem, even
Right.
even young age, if they have diabetes and is not controlled well, and their health is not good, so they have sexual problems. They have ED problem, premature ejaculation, and hormones are low. They feel very tired, and there's no stamina, and so they should use it. This one,
Okay.
diabetic and blood pressure people, also hypertension people.
Right.
They should use that also because of the blood pressure medicine.
Right.
Their sexual, health goes down. I'm talking about the allopathic medicine for blood pressure.
Right.
So if they take homeopathic for blood pressure also, that would be great. But along with their medications, they should use as a supplement.
Homeopathic.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. Along with this, we have Dr. Chaudhary with us, and we talked about men's health, especially today. So if you have any questions, you can call us in to the live show. We have a few more minutes to go. You can call us in. Numbers are at the bottom screen. And Dr. Chaudhary, let's move on since we talk about men's health. We talk about now about their hair. Now let's talk about their. I'm sure that there are some men out there who are not that old, they're not even that age yet, that they should start having gray hair, or they should have, start getting bald spots.
Right.
What is the reason, would you describe for that, and what homeopathy does have to
See,
help
male
them?
baldness is because of the hereditary factor also,
Okay.
but nutritional deficiencies and because of a lot of stress also.
Okay.
These days, the modern lifestyle.
Right.
And even, let's see, their parents, like father, maybe after 50 years he start losing hair and he got bald. But now the child, like boy is like 20 years old, 25, and he's losing that. And
Right.
he's just saying, oh, my father lost hair, then I'm going to lose also.
Right.
So he's not taking care of his hair and, the nutritional supplements or nutritional diet like fruits, milk, and enough rest, so those factors, they are, you lose hair, and a lot of stress also.
Okay.
And they're not sleeping well, and too much, chemicals and all those unnatural things they do with their hair.
Right, right.
So those things has to be stopped and use natural shampoo. We do have arnica hair oil and arnica shampoo. So oil is very good. I use all the time. Even you don't have to use every day, once
Right.
a week, twice a week, whatever.
Right.
So
And
oiling is
I
very
know that
important.
the oil has such a nice smell to it that it's not that even though you have it on, that you cannot go out.
Right, yeah.
It's such a
Yeah,
nice smell. I recommend that too, actually.
yeah.
It smells
and,
so good.
And the bedtime you can use it, and next morning you can just take shower.
Right.
So that's the best way. And then you have some supplement in homeopathic. We have a hair formula. We have a homeopathic hair formula that is good for nervous system, good for stress.
Okay.
So this way you have this problem, and then people have less protein in their diet, they lose hair also. So people like non-vegetarian people, they can have fish, they can have nuts and milk, and that is helpful for them.
Okay. And what about for some men that they complain about that they have, either they're sitting for too long, whatever the reason is, that their feet hurts a lot.
Yeah, it's
Their
again
feet
it's
or their
because of
hands, their fingers, I mean, they hurt a lot. Like what homeopathy does have for men's health in that?
Yeah, this is because of the could be arthritis, joints, inflammation in the joints.
Right.
And could be, not enough activity, and their blood flow is not good in their legs area. Especially people, they sit
Like
a
cab
lot,
drivers,
cab
truck
drivers, truck
right.
drivers, and the office they keep sitting all the time, 10 hours sitting, so their blood flow in the lower part of the body
Okay.
is not good, and because
Right.
of that also they can have sexual problem also because of the circulation.
Okay.
So they should start walking at least, sometime, maybe 15-20 minutes a day. And we have some circulation supplements also that is good for their heart and good for circulation.
Okay.
They should take that as a supplement, because these things are not like drugs, like this is not like prescription medicine that you worry about that it's gonna damage your, but this is just more is prevention.
Okay.
So if they take circupressure tablet, there's a Thera oil for massage also that is good for circulation.
Okay.
So and again, if it's male, then they can take male formula. For women, we have very good female formula also that has herbs in there along with vitamins and minerals.
Okay.
So that's why they get more energetic, and especially vegetarian women.
Ji.
They need more nutritional supplements,
Okay, we'll definitely, do the women's health also next time. But right now, if you need any more information, you can call doctor's office at the bottom of the screen. Yes, you can see it, or you can go see him. And we did talk about today, as we can show you the medicines right now, right here. We did talk about Super Male Formula. We talked about Stamina Plus. We talked about men formula. We talked about Herbal Tela, which is a massaging oil. Then we talked about Tribesta and male formula. If you need any of more information on these products, or if you have any other question that you want to ask, you can call Dr. Chaudhary at his office.